This is the condition of a temporary shelter at the Talise sub-district in Palu, Central Sulawesi. 4 years after an earthquake, tsunami, and liquefaction struck the area in 2018. Many families remain in temporary shelters, such as this one, where they have expressed hope that the government can soon help them by providing adequate permanent housing. This is because the condition of the temporary shelters they reside in are swiftly declining. The buildings are becoming more dilapidated, while the number of residents keep rising. The condition is such that a single shelter can be filled with 2 families of 6.
Kalau kita orang sini 6 orang ini sudah semuanya kan, ya kita dipel sedikit.
Tapi di dalam semua ini, semua
Iya,
orang 6 orang
dalam
ini.
sini semua kita orang.
Ibu,
Iya, itu dengan suami,
suami,
dengan anak,
Jebol.
panas. Kalau lama-lama kita duta kayak ayam ikan dibakar.
Harap dengan pemerintah kasihan supaya cepat diselesaikan supaya agar kami indah, agar kami senang, agar kami bahagia.
Fortunately, the government, through the Public Works and Housing Ministry, recently conducted a groundbreaking ceremony for what would be a permanent residence area on September 26. Prior to that, the construction for permanent homes were hampered due to land clearance issues. However, a presidential directive regarding post-disaster management decided that more than 11,000 homes are to be provided for victims of the 2018 earthquake.
Penyintas yang tidak memenuhi kriteria
untuk terima.
Contoh misalnya dia tidak punya sertifikat, bangun di lahan bukan lahannya, ya kan? Nah ini kan kita sebut sebagai penyintas, mereka yang terdampak. Pemerintah berusaha untuk mengakomodir semua, tetapi yang prioritas sebagaimana yang dipersyaratkan oleh kementerian itu dulu kita prioritaskan. Maka mereka yang tidak mendapatkan itu, nah itu nanti yang kita akan alokasikan nanti untuk rusun nanti yang dibangun oleh pemerintah.
A 7.5 magnitude earthquake struck Central Sulawesi on September 28, 2018. Unfortunately, the disaster also triggered a tsunami and liquefaction which killed 2,096 in total and caused thousands to go missing. Not just that, more than 115 homes and thousands of public facilities were damaged. See today Kondisi reporting from Palu, Central Sulawesi.
Tempel semua ya? Iya.